I've used these ChatGPT prompts to make almost 18,000 US dollars, and I've put all of these prompts together in a beautiful free Google document. And let's begin with step number 1, which is to go over to chatgpt.com and sign up completely free. Now, ChatGPT operates in a way where you can give it specific instructions called prompts, and you can ask it questions. The more detailed the prompt is, the better the results you're going to get. So people are literally selling these GPT prompts for hundreds of dollars online. Step number 2 is to sign up for this website called Gumroad. Now, Gumroad.com is a platform where people sell different digital products, and we can see that this person is selling a $35 digital product and got over 1,000 sales, making $35,000. Another person made over 100 sales, and others are making money as well. So when you register a brand new account on this platform, you're going to go to the dashboard. Now, obviously, your account is going to say $0 because you just signed up. Step 3. Now you're going to take this free ChatGPT prompt. This is a very short one. And in a second, I'm going to show you where to actually get these prompts for free, where to copy and paste them, and where I put them for you. But you're going to paste it here, and that's going to let ChatGPT know that you need a very short Instagram bio, and it's going to do that for you. It will also give you a handle that you can use. If you want it shorter, just say, make it shorter, and do 100 more handles. Now here we have a shorter bio and over 100 different ideas. Check this out. This faceless Instagram account has 138,000 followers. And it's basically just an AI avatar with a hoodie, getting hundreds of thousands of views. You're going to take the ChatGPT prompt, copy it, and customize the text that you want on the character we're developing. If you just paste this prompt, I'll show you in a second how to use it to make money online. Dave, what is the best and fastest way to get to $10,000 a month online? Everyone wants to quit their job, travel the world, or just spend more time with family. But honestly, there's no single online business that's suitable for everyone. You have to choose what's easiest for you. There's over 60 hours of custom step-by-step video training, dedicated coaches to hold you by the hand, free tickets to regular global meetups so you can network with me and other members around the world, and live coaching calls with me every week. Now, back to the tutorial. We're going to copy this prompt, and instead of ChatGPT, we're going to go over to Leonardo.ai. This free AI tool will allow you to generate your own AI avatar. Click on Image Creation on the left-hand side, paste the prompt over here, and then on the left-hand side, change this to Fix and make sure to select 2.3 image dimensions. Then click Generate. In a second, we'll get 4 different variations, and this is exactly how I got this avatar created for myself. Once Leonardo creates the avatar you like, let's say, for instance, I'm going to click on the download button over here and go over to apub.ai. Now, this AI tool allows you to turn these images into videos. If you don't want to use this one, just go to Google and search for Free Image to Video AI. Then go to Image to Video, click to upload the image. Drag and drop the image you found in the description. Select Mask Moving so the character appears to be talking. Select Hands Moving like he's explaining something. Choose Ultra and click Generate. Now this will create an animation where the character is actually moving like a real person. We're going to download this video. You'll find a Tools category over here. It has lots of free resources. What's really interesting is that because I personally spent hundreds of dollars on these digital products, I just share them for free inside this document. A lot of them have reseller rights, and many are also created by me. For example, if you open the YouTube Automation Starter Blueprint, this is a document that beginners are using to make money on YouTube without showing their face. It's a checklist to follow, full of different resources and prompts. Very, very valuable. You can click on the file over here and download it as a PDF document. If you want to start selling on Gumroad, you can either create your own digital product from scratch or take someone else's product and start selling it right away. I do give you full rights to do that. If you want to change the branding on these documents, just click File over here, click on Make a Copy, and save it to your own Google Drive folder. Then you can change the name, colors, or anything you want. If you want to remove any part, you can do that as well. If you want to type in your name, you can do that too. Once you're done, click File and then Download. Now go back to your Gumroad account. Click on the Products page on the left side, then click on New Product, name the product, and select Digital Product right over here. Scroll down, set the price. Let's say I'm only going to sell this one for $5. Next, click Customize. To make the description of this product, go back to the product itself. Then go to ChatGPT, click the plus icon, upload the file as a PDF, and say, I want to sell this PDF digital product. Write a sales page description for a maximum conversion rate. Then, copy the most useful parts of the description, paste them here, and click Save. Finally, for the content itself, drag and drop the PDF file so that when someone purchases this product for $5, they can instantly download and use it. Now, click Publish and Continue, and this is how my product looks as right now. I can also add a cover image, but I have the description, and people can just purchase it right over here for $5. By the way, all these free ChatGPT prompts that I'm sharing throughout this tutorial are also available in that free community. Now check out all of these faceless Instagram accounts. They're again getting millions of views sometimes, but they're not showing their faces. They're just using AI characters and making these very, very simple reels. And people are doing the same thing on YouTube as well. For example, this guy over here has his own character that he created. It's much easier to build an actual brand when you have a character just like this. And it's proven that this also works on Instagram, as these people are getting millions of views. So you can take this prompt to generate a script for your Instagram reel. So copy this prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt in here, and select the topic of your Instagram reel, YouTube automation. I open up example Instagram pages, go to their Instagram reels, let's say this one. I copy the link to that Instagram reel, then I go over to Reel Save app, paste the link in here, and download the audio. I go to step number 3, which is to open up TurboScribe AI. I click on Open Dashboard, then Transcribe Files. Paste that audio file in here, select Whale, which is the most accurate description of the actual audio, and then we get a full script from that Instagram reel. Now I copy that and use this ChatGPT prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste it in, and then take that Instagram reel script, paste it, and now it rewrites a viral Instagram script for me. It doesn't sound robotic because it's taken from a real video that was proven to get results for someone. Now we just need to generate a voiceover. So we're going to go to 11 Labs, click on Go to App, click on Instant Speech, and then simply paste in your script. On the right-hand side, you can select which voice you want and click Generate Speech. Let's listen to the example voice.
This is the only way beginners make $20.
If you like the voiceover, just download it with one press of a button. Now, head over to Auto AI Do Online, which allows you to create viral animations online in seconds. Click on Create Free Hooks, select the template you like, click Customize, and then go over to CapCut.com, a free video editing tool. Click on New Video to start from scratch, drag, and drop the video that we got from Apop or any other tool used to create the animation. In my case, this is the one. Now I just want to make sure that this fits the scene properly, and I personally just speed it up a little bit. Now this is how my animation looks right now. I'm going to add the voiceover from 11 Labs, copy and paste this animation, then go to Captions on the left side, select Auto Captions in English, and click Generate, so it creates captions that will appear on the screen. I make sure that this is centered, then go to Animate on the right-hand side, select Captions, and choose whichever animation I like. Now whatever you personally prefer, let's see what we have over here. Something along these lines is perfect. I click Text on the right side, select uppercase for the entire video, and choose a different font. The font I personally use is called Elegant, and I also make it bold and increase the size.
This is the only way beginners make $20.
But now, I'm also going to add some of these animations. Click Download Video, and add a quick animation in the beginning. Once you're done editing, just click Export, click Download, and make sure to download it in 1080p MP4 format. Click Export, And now it's going to be exported to your device, so you can just download it. Now, if you're not sure how to title these Instagram reels, just copy your script and ask ChatGPT, what should be the title of this reel? Copy the first part because it really needs to be short, simple, and easy to understand. When you go over to Pinterest.com, click on Create a Pin, and then drag and drop the reel you just created. Here we go. It looks like this. Make $20 every 30 minutes searching Google, then just add that title over here. And for the link, go back to Gumroad. Go to your dashboard, click on Products, find the product that you just published, click Copy Link, and then go back to Pinterest, paste it here. If you want to see how I helped thousands of beginners build their $10,000 a month online business, check out the Online Business Club, which is the second link in the description box of this video. For example, Sebastian went from being a doctor to making multiple six figures on YouTube without showing his face. Jason just secured a brand deal for $1,500. Vard made 4,000 euros at 16, and Har made over $500,000. People are making money in different ways because, again, the classroom has over 60 hours of step-by-step training programs on different topics. I hope you got some value out of this tutorial, and if you did, I will see you in the next one as well.